Hi friends, I'm Jason, the marketing professor, and I teach everyone from the student to the CEO the essentials of digital marketing in 5 minutes or less. Let's get started. Today we're going to talk about how you can use artificial intelligence like Chat GPT to help grow your blog presence. Blogs are still a thing. As a matter of fact, they're really useful on your website for your SEO, search engine optimization, but also for helping you to establish credibility and position yourself as an expert in the space. It doesn't matter what you're selling, whether it's kayaks, ski boots, dresses, cell phones, people are looking for various portions of information that you can offer them in the form of a blog. Now, I know you're saying, Jason, I do not have the time to write a blog, and I'm going to tell you one of two things. Number one, make some time, and number two, we're going to use Chat GPT to help us out and cut our time down significantly. Now, before I dive in, I want to make this very clear. I am in no way saying use artificial intelligence to write the blog for you. Absolutely not. Your customers want to have that personal one-to-one interaction with you, so your words matter. But this is going to get you going, and this is going to help cut your time by, well, more than half. Let's start off with ideas. Writer's block is very common in the writing space. We have a whole bunch of ideas and we think they all stink, or we have absolutely no ideas. We keep looking at the clock going, I've got to write something. So instead, use Chat GPT to help you come up with some ideas, and maybe tell it in its little line, looking for 10 ideas on how kayaks can be useful in the wintertime. I'm kind of making that up, but see what it gives you. It may help jar a couple of things loose and get the creative juices flowing. You can also use that same resource to help you create an outline. So maybe you've identified that you want to take your kayak down a ski slope in January. You can use Chat GPT to help you come up with an outline with a headline, a body, and a closing piece so that you have a nice blog outline, maybe 500 words. You can also take the data that it gives you and fact check it. Please do not use Chat GPT to do the fact checking for you. The technology is not all there yet, but if it tells you that taking a kayak down a ski hill is safe as long as you're wearing a helmet, do some research on helmets that make sense. Maybe it's something you have and you can offer a helmet. Okay, you see where I'm going with this. You can also use it for writing help. So yes, it can actually create a blog post for you. Don't use it word for word, but do start to paraphrase. I'll tell you, I've had students try to turn in papers that have Chat GPT do all the work for you. It doesn't look right, it doesn't feel right, it doesn't flow right, it doesn't source right. Don't use it for all your content, but it's okay to use it as a writing partner. Think of it that way, to help steer you in the right direction. And there's nothing wrong with a writing partner, okay? Paul McCartney, John Lennon, they were writing partners, okay? Bernie Taupin and Elton John, excuse me. They were writing partners, okay? Have a writing partner. Chat GPT can do that for you. And you can also use it for your editing. If you've got 10 words and you're trying to make it 5, use Chat GPT to guide you on that. Likewise, if you've got 5 words and you're trying to broaden it a little bit, use Chat GPT to help you maybe make the content a little more full. Not just words for the sake of words, but full of more data. So there you have it, a couple of tips you can use to use Chat GPT to get your blog to the next level. It'll help enhance your credibility and boost your search engine optimization on your website. Editing, writing help, fact-checking outlines, and help you generate some ideas. Artificial intelligence is here to stay, my friends. We just need to figure out the best way to use it. Hey, if you like short lessons like this, do me a favor. Go ahead and click the like button as well as subscribe, and let me know in the comments section if there's something you want me to cover. I'm more than happy to do that for you. You can also find me at all the social places online or at themarketingprofessor.net. Thanks for joining me today. I'll talk to you next time. See ya.